Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a hot mess. I don't know why I decided to start the vlog off like this, but we're done there already. I'm supposed to go on the road, so I want to take you guys with me. I haven't been posting. My grandmother passed and it is a lot. It's rough, it's hurting, it's everything, not just on me but on everybody. And I just decided that it's time, you know, to just get a breather, go out, buy some stuffs, and not really clothes nor nothing, just, you know, cake stuffs, me and one of my friends. And yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me. I'm looking a hot mess. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I'm tidy up, and I'm just there, you know, about to have a bath. But I'm going to start out the vlog from now. And yeah, today's a little bit of a depressing day, which it has been like that for the past, today's Monday, almost a week now, or probably before she passed. It has been a rough time in my life, but life's not easy, and it's sad that she had to pass and leave us. I don't want to get emotional, but it's hard, but I'm gonna try to hold it. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, and you know, I'm gonna need to like be strong for myself. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yes, go out there for 5 minutes. And I have to put on the slippers though. 5 minutes only. Close by the grill. So yeah, I haven't been posting, and I know that, but I know I have to be consistent in order to see, you know, the channel start to grow and stuff, because you know, you guys probably think I'm not serious about this, about YouTube. It's just a lot has been going on, and we're going to be consistent. We're going to see improvement in the channel between the next month, we're going to see improvement in the channel within the next month. Fingers crossed. I have to put in the work in order for you guys, you know, to like watch, share, subscribe and so forth. So you know, I have to do my part before you guys do your part. So it's fair enough. I understand why I haven't been growing, because I haven't been giving you guys what you guys really need and stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. I know it looks sad and depressing, but it's just not a wonderful day. But we're here, we're alive, and we're well. So let's just make the best of today and see what we can grab. I might stop at PriceSmart so you guys can see, you know, the Portmore one, the new. So you guys might see that in this vlog. So yeah. When I'm turning on something like a bed, the light here in here is so bad, but I'm taking my gummies. Yes, it's almost done. I'm not thinking I can see, but oh yeah, awesome. So I'm gonna take 2 every morning after breakfast. Yeah. So time to have a bath. So this is me. I'm fresh. I'm gonna look bad. My face looks shiny same way. Come rub lotion for my face and stuff. Never tell me here last night because I don't know. So this is the best I could have fixed it. So yeah, where I look. Well, let's make a quick step right or so. She got a machine when she come in my showroom. Showing her the mad girl. So let's take a look cool out and stuff. Security girl yeah, look for me like, could I might get it in a character to herself, but oh well. So yeah, hairstyle I'm gonna do. See my girl walk up. Rich bitch. What?
No money.
Thief! So she's trying the machine and stuff. But my day look for my nose ring a while ago. And I really need to get a new nose ring because it's been a while. The nose ring here was actually good. I'm gonna change this up so. Behave man. My nose ring was actually gold and it changed color. Changed for me, and the last time I went to get a new one, them did only have silver. I never want that. So yeah, I'm stuck with a silver one. I'm still gonna try to get a new one, you know? It all been up. So I have to get a new one. Come on, go out back. I need to get some earrings, some ears, because my ears them naked and something. I'm just tired and stressed out. But yeah, I'm there just to go and chill. It's like every now and again I just zone out. But yeah, I'm okay. That must say, well, I'm okay. You don't get no cash? No money? You don't get no cash?
I don't know what I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I told me I try to take it out. Come on. Come on. You know, be serious. Me I try be serious. I am not. When it not go through, them gonna charge me.
Why you hungry? I'm gonna tell you for stop and buy something for you. But tell you for what they don't put more from what they don't put more. I'm say stop and buy something for you. But no, you be stubborn. I know. I do. Burger King and KFC did a right round the road from Wendy's. Burger King was a right round the road.
It's a different road.
It's the same stretch Burger King and KFC different this. What are you saying?
We'll stop.
It's your fault. Come on, let's go to Chang's.
I can't see.
We're going there, okay? Yeah? Man, improvise. Man, to improvise. I'm gonna see if I can flow. Voila. Say deuces. I want to get them flowers then. I can't get them. Oh yeah, look.
Roman.
Don't you know you are dangerous? Baby, when you move, it's stressing. Baby, why you blessing?
We get to get our food and she don't sit and no shackles. We make it hungry for morning. My friends are fresh.
I don't mean not going back for salt.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
So with the Burger King, we get our food. When I get a straw, when I get a ketchup, when I get a napkin. And the fries fresh, you know. So you need to look at ketchup right now. Make the fries taste good. At first, I said just make it stay. But I'm looking at the bag, not even straw, nothing. One girl not having it. One girl said, "Out to order." She gone back. She gone in there for it. Some African music I play. I don't know it, but I like the rhythm. So I rock. Let me know it. TikTok. Oh, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Boom, boom. Where you going with the key?
Oh, did that make nice?
Yes.
The teeth is very good?
Yes.
I never go in there with balance.
I know you wouldn't.
Yeah, I just sit upset now, but when I go in there, I calm down. Hey, salt! Look at your napkin.
You get some?
Oh.
Alright now?
Yeah. Grab a Snickers. The lady said sorry about that. I said, no, that's okay. No, it's not okay. No. It's not okay because
people who don't have no tripod for car, so wanna just bear with me. Yeah, we've made the phone and turn over. So we're gonna full belly and then come back. Alright? Because we don't have no tripod. I'm hungry. So we'll start. See, that's what I started for before.
Sorry.
But don't start already, you know? You go
The boxes.
Oh, yeah. Me a box.
The last box.
Me a box. Me a box. Hello. Me a box. Hello. Hello. You have ice some more? What's in here?
Oh, that's fine.
Cheek the care. No, but that's not sure.
We make rice
And those are perfect.
Anytime we make a cake ball.
Those are perfect. How you sell these? Oh, they're not bad. Oh, they are strong. We can mix it with ours. See this? You want me to buy the sprinkles for the topper? They have to make for me. Yes.
That one. No, sir. Never done a carnival. You see me a
Tell me.
My family did a carnival.
Lady go carnival and double carry.
You say, I go with a smoker.
Right? Soccer is late. I'm never at carnival. It's still that sad. Oh well.
I said, have a sit up for that one. Yeah. No.
I ask the man if him take care.
I do ask me for ask them.
I never tell you for ask nobody.
But you mentioned it, so I guess it was confirmed. Why the song not playing again?
Because I turn it on.
Oh!
Girl, I'm coming at PriceSmart. I forgot to show no all the place. Yeah. I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna in here all long. Yeah, check I need a card. And don't show the people them. Because of she. But yeah, with the inside. And next time I'm showing you.
Inside. Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say, next time I come here and show you because the little girl made me come in here and forgot. Tamoy, this is for you for your birthday, okay? Happy birthday, darling. Look at the food court over there, so. This girl, I forgot to do my video. But yeah. This girl.
Mine have video my car.
This girl, mama forget. One look shine. But basically, their home still was stuff at the wholesale, like get eggs. That's our final stop for today, and we'll go home back. So, you know, basically, I cut the vlog right or so. Wait till she come in. She tell her later. But yeah, it was a nice good chill day up on the road. Nothing too much, nothing too extra. But guys, I'm sorry about PriceSmart something. I totally forgot. I thought she'd have chat me out, you know. She'd have chat me out and I totally forgot to say me a vlog. And I went literally about for cash out. I'm like, shit. What do we show people them say when they are PriceSmart? But when I get for sale, you know. I left a piece of walk on, but next time I'll definitely show you guys. You know, from where walking aisle to aisle and everything, so you can see all the place set up. I'm gonna probably see it already, but for those who don't, I probably can see it again. I want to see it already, but yeah. So next time I'm gonna make them see all of that. So yeah, we're just there. Then I'll carry up and I have to come back with the egg them and stuff. So yeah. But that's done out, but yeah. So until next time, bye guys. Maybe I'll just insert the clip when she come back, but she tell me later. We're tired and exhausted. Going on the road, baby, I'm still there though. from my piercing ears up so the ball gone all long and that one is gone. And I don't get a new one. But it not drop out, it just dead it and behave itself. So I'm just leave it. So I need to get some earring for yourself. I have this, I have the earring for put in, you know, but I don't put it in, I don't know why, but I have it a long time. I don't put it in, I don't know when to change that. Why should I buy tea? She realized me every day. On the ear was just why miserable stuff? You miserable enough? Why you have the ear so far? Why you buy soda for? You drink too much soda, man.
Let's go about our business.
Tell people them later.
No.
Tell people them later.
No.
You cannot drive with the egg them right there, so. Tell people them later and give me the egg. What is wrong with this little girl?
That's why you're annoying too. That's why you lock me up. Don't do that!
Tell people them later and give me the egg.
And baby, the way I'm shoe.
Give me the egg, my girl.
Wait, we need to focus. Can I turn now?
Yes, you can. Your friend is behind you, you know? A truck.
Oh. You know you're right there.
What's your side? Give me the egg now. Tell people them later now.
Let me get the egg. And after, I'm not for the fair, I come in and then walk around here.
Tell people them later.
Natty, you're annoying. You want your people there.
So bye now.
Come
But
out,
yes.
Oh, look, come out.
She's being mean, no?
And Natty let me out of the car, turn on the AC with the 2-bar and
But you just a cool on my body.
I'm not here. 2-bar. Oh, but we're ready for a gas station. I can ask you for your cool on your
Yeah,
body.
me I full it. Yeah, say. I go full the tank.
But what's let you off
Bye. Bye. Tell them bye now. You there?
Bye.
Alright. Sure.
Oh, time for the
Yeah, guys. We talk to you later. My next vlog. So, deuces. Later, guys.